Hello? Hello? Aku? I'm inside the market, oh. So you come here and pick me, oh. Eh? You know, you say that from now, you will be making me feel like a queen. That you will come and pick me from the market. So I'm standing at that market now. Come and pick your baby.
Oh, don't worry. I am who coming now.
Okay. Hey, Timu, my baby. Hey. Hey, let me wait.
Now, good afternoon. I beg I dey find number 5 Macaulay Street. Where dey this place? Since so I don't dey waka up and down, I no see. I see my house.
Macaulay Street.
Yes, number 5 Macaulay Street.
Oh, number 5.
Yes.
You don't reach now.
Huh?
See, as far as you ask me, yeah, about that address, you are in the right hand.
Let's go now. For past 2 hours, I've been walking
Hey,
around.
I should follow you.
Should we say you know the place now?
No, anyway, if I direct you now, you might make mistake. But you are going to give me transport to come back because that place is far. So if you are going to give me transport, I will direct you there.
Don't worry, I will give you the transport.
Yeah.
Just take
See, in this community, you know what they call me? Direction shower. I am good in directing people. In fact, before they conceive me, all those who prophet told my mother, you are we're going to born a director.
Abi? So let's go now. Let's go. I don't have much time. Let's go. Transport will not be the issue. Just let's go.
Do you have a song in your keke?
Let me play it now. Let's go. Enter.
Let's go. I will stay in the back. Oh, they go. You get it. Find music here.
I can see you enjoying the music. Okay, I no get fuel. Since I been carrying you around, you tell me say you won't go show me the place. Me, I don't tire. My friend no there for reserve again.
Who be going? They go now. We just started the journey. You are telling me. You don't know where you are going. The place is a kind of far.
Place too far. You don't pass around.
If you get to that place, they mold somebody. You will stop. Just no. Stop here. Stop in front of that place. Stop. Hey!
You said this and you are doing it. I thought you are joking, no?
I told you now.
This time a lot of us come new. Let me enter.
Who go? See, actually, this is my lovely wife. He would drop her along the road. What is your problem now? Am I not the person showing you road?
Showing you the road for how many hours? I know they like this kind of thing.
Hey, okay, don't even hide me. Don't even hide me. If you know the place, won't you go there by yourself? They go. I told you that I'm a sharpshooter. Hey, they go now. You are looking at me. Do you go? You know. Well, what is it?
I'm just tired.
Come. Since you are asking somebody, you show me number 5 my calling street. See, you dey here, they carry me up and down. If I carry go up, I go carry you come down. What's in your own now? If you don't want to show me the place, tell me.
Wow, Waka, do you know the place and you did not go on your own? I follow. Go inside. Prepare that plantain porridge for me.
You know, I like to handle this side.
Don't worry, now I know before you know it now, you start giving head.
Are you sure you can handle?
Go, I can. Is it not me that came and beat you, victim? Thunder will fire you. I swear, thunder that will fire you still doing press up. For what? You don't need to show you direction. You don't know. Do you know the place? If you know the place, you would have gone there by yourself now. I was even trying to show you direction. You are not appreciating.
He shot you.
That is Igbo people for you. Idiot.
Are you sure you can handle this place?
I can handle it. Go inside. Go and prepare something for me now. See, let me tell you. God has punished you. In fact, it's not even God. Satan has punished you. Thank God you are already in my house. This from here now you enter my house. Thank you for your open knowledge. You can ask another person since you don't want me to show you. You are shouting for me inside the ball. This nonsense way barrow.
You be mumu.
This is way barrow if you don't know. It's a way barrow. Way barrow have 3 legs. This one have 3 legs. This is digital way barrow. Go and ask another person. What nonsense? Okay,
Look at this man. I asked another person. This man tell me know where they go. I asked him, I carry this man along. They get him up and down. But I don't even get fuel again. What's I go do?